guys, it's Laura, last name Posse. I say that because a lot of you have been tagging me in videos lately, which I really appreciate, and none of you really knew how to say my last name, and I realized I never really say it. So I do pronounce it Posse, like the word in the dictionary. But I have in my hands some holiday gift sets from Chanel and Dior. We are going to look at the sets for both brands and compare them, and I'm really excited because there are some beautiful sets this year. So starting off with Chanel, there are going to be 9 gift sets this year. They come in this beautiful packaging. The theme this year is Starry Night, so it's going to have a lot of beautiful gold and blue, and there are going to be a lot of fragrance sets. There's Beauty. That Beauty is already out. I saw it in the boutiques. They had the 9-pan eyeshadow palettes, the blushes, the blue eyeshadow palette, the nail polishes, everything's there. So if you really want to get your hands on something, be sure to visit your local boutique. I will also link all of the beauty down below in the description. So starting off with the gift set that I bought, which is the Amplified Gaze gift set, and opening this box was really hard, so if my nails look a little messed up, forgive me because it was scratching off the polish. But here is this year's gift bag. Now it is in this beautiful sparkly blue tweed. It's navy, and you can see the sparkles there. They are also like these navy glittery pieces, and it does say the Beauté. On the side here we have a beautiful camellia zip pull. Now if you remember last year, the gift set had this snowflake pull, so they did the pretty little pull again. Now as far as I know, there is only one size this year. Last year we had 2, and then a lot of people commented that it looked like the gift bag from 2023. There were 2 gift bags, a navy and a white with gold. Here they are side by side, so they do look pretty similar, although this is a different material. It's just a fabric, where this is more like a tweed. And of course, this one has the Beauté, which I know a lot of people are not fans of. But this, again, is the Amplified gift set. Now, this one is retailing for $126. This one comes with a mascara, the Noir Allure mascara in the shade Black. And this is one of the ones that pops out, and I will just demonstrate. So you just push in the side like this, and then you twist the mascara open, and there is the wand. This is their very classic mascara. And then this set also comes with an eyeshadow quad. This is in the shade Clair Obscure, so let me go ahead and open that up. I'll also swatch it for you guys. Now, this is a very neutral eyeshadow palette. It's not going to be like the 9-pan ones that have kind of like the crazier colors. So if you love a neutral eye, or maybe you're looking for like a gift for someone and you don't want something that maybe won't really work for them, their coloring, or maybe just their style, this could be a nice option. So here are those shades swatched right there. Again, very classic, very neutral, and this one is retailing for $127. This is the one of the ones that are in stock. So let's go over the other gift sets. The next gift set that they had in stock is the lip routine. This one is retailing for $122. It comes with the Hydra Beauty Micro Serum for your lips, as well as the Rouge Allure Velvet Lipstick in shade 58 Rouge V. This is like a very pretty burgundy festive shade. So that will be the least expensive of all the sets. Next up, they had the Amplified Gaze, which I just showed you, at $126. Then they had Eyes to Impress in stock. This is retailing for $127. This comes with the Le Base Mascara Primer, the Volume de Chanel Mascara, and then the eyeliner in the shade Espresso. I do have that somewhere and I cannot find it, but it is a very nice dark brown shade. If you don't like black, but you just like something still kind of dark for your eyeliner, that's a really great option, and I do really like that eye pencil. The fourth set that they had in stock was Coveted Essentials. This is retailing for $155. This is going to come with the Egg Shaped Hand Cream. This is a really popular gift item from Chanel. It's also going to come with the nail polish in the shade Ballerina. This is one of their classic nail polish shades. It's a very, very light pink nail polish. It's one of those nail polishes that you would use for like what they call a princess manicure. And then finally, it comes with the Rouge Coco Balm in the shade Dreamy White, which is just like their clear shade. It's very nice. It's very smooth and hydrating. I really like this formula. This is my personal one for my collection. So as you can see, I do use this quite a bit. And I really like this one. Again, this will be a great option for a gift. I think all of the ones that are out right now are great gift options. The way that this usually works with Chanel is they will release a few sets early on, and if you want to pick these up and you do go into the boutique, you might not necessarily see them on display, so you will need to ask because they do have them in the back. At least that's how it is at my boutique. Now the next gift set is called Gloss Up, and this is going to be the lip gloss shades. Now they didn't have this one in stock, and these are the colors from last year's lip gloss trio. This one is different. So this one is shade 726. This was from last year. Instead of this shade, you're going to have Noche Moscata, which is a really nice shade as well. And then you're going to have this Bourgeoisie and then Melted Honey. I'll go ahead and swatch these for you. So Bourgeoisie is going to give you the most color payoff. And I'm actually wearing this one on my lips right now on top of Clinique Black Honey. So it does give you color on its own if you don't want to wear it over top of a lipstick. But if you do want to wear it on top of a lipstick, it's a great option too. Now, Melted Honey, this is definitely, in my opinion, a lip gloss topper. It doesn't have a lot of color. It just kind of has like pretty gold sparkles to it. So let's see if I can there you go. And that one is going to retail for $138. Next, we have the Effortless Allure. Now, this one is going to come with a Le Beige eyeshadow palette. I'm not totally sure of the color story. I did see somewhere that it might be tender. Hey, It's Jacqueline did a really great video earlier this week where she shared these gift sets as well. And she said it was going to be a lilac. So I've seen kind of like different information, and I asked my SA and she did not know, but it's going to come with one of those. Then it's also going to come with the Le Beige Water Fresh Blush and then a Hydra Beauty Cream. So that one is going to retail for $244. Next we have the Le Lift Smooth Results. Now the Le Lift line is a line dedicated to anti-aging and really hydrating the skin. So it's going to come with the Le Lift version of the hand cream as well as the Le Lift cream. I really want to try this one, so I think when it does become available, I might pick this one up because I really love Chanel's moisturizers and creams. I find that my skin on my face really loves them as well, and I've been wanting to try that line. So I think that this will be a really good opportunity to pick those up. Then the next gift set we have is the Hydra Beauty Maximum Moisture. This is retailing for $187. This is going to include the Hydra Beauty Micro Cream, which I really like this one. I got this one in a gift set, was it last year or the year before? Really loved that moisturizer. My skin felt so like supple and soft. And then the Hydra Beauty Micro Cream for the eyes. So it's going to be a really nice face set if you have somebody or yourself who really likes skincare products. I think that's the one I would recommend the most out of all of the skincare. And then we have the #1 de Chanel Power Pair. I've seen like Power Pair and Power Repair. Not that it makes like a huge difference in the name, but if you're texting your SA, it's going to be the #1 de Chanel duo, and it's retailing for $257. It comes with the serum and it comes with the cream. All right, so I think that's all 9 sets. Again, the ones that are in stock right now are the Lip Routine, Amplified Gaze, Eyes to Impress, Coveted Essentials. I would expect Gloss Up to come in stock soon, and then hopefully the skincare ones. I'm not sure which sets will be for Cyber Monday and Black Friday. They always do a Cyber Monday, Black Friday set. I'm leaning towards Effortless Allure being a set for one of those days. It just makes the most sense based on sets that they've released previously for Black Friday. And if you do know for sure what color the palette is going to come in, please let me know in the comments below. I think now Dior's holiday gift sets and beauty products are now available online. I've linked everything down below, so everything I talk about is available in this next section of the video, including their advent calendar. So if you've had your eye on that, you can get it right now. I'm sure it will sell out, but this is the packaging. How beautiful is it? It's a circus theme, and if you can see there, it has like some silver, rose gold, and yellow gold, and at the top it has this like really pretty star border. Not sure if it's going to focus. Now this gift set that I picked up is going to come with the Baume and the lip balm. It's retailing for $105. Now, are you ready for this bag? Because if you haven't seen it yet, it is absolutely beautiful. And here is their gift bag this year. And here it is next to the Chanel. So it is smaller, but it is more sparkly, and just, I really like the gold color. I think they're both beautiful, but I do see a lot of people really loving this one. Now let's take a closer look at the Dior bag. You do have the Dior logo there with the star in the middle, and then you have the zipper pulls at the top with the two star zipper pulls. It does have a little handle, which I think is really cute if you want to carry this around like a handheld bag. I know a lot of you love to convert these bags and the Chanel bags into little purses with some special kits. So you could do that with this, although you wouldn't even need to because it has the handle. And then inside it is like a, you know, a white satiny sort of fabric lining. And then it's just one compartment inside. And then this one comes, like I said, with the Baume and the Lip Glow in the shade pink. Now this is going to be the pH activated lip balm to give you like that perfect shade of pink. I'm gonna grab one that I already have used so that I can kind of do like a little swatch for you. Here's my one that I've been using recently. And it does, after a little bit, if you just give it like a little bit of time, it reacts with the pH levels of your skin, and it gives you like the perfect, like flushed pinky look to your lips. So this one I think will be a popular one to pick up. The Baume is really popular with people. It's a nice like hyaluronic formula. It's meant to be used for your hands, your lips, and your body. You even put it on someone's face as like a face moisturizer in one of the master classes. So if you want a little hyaluronic moisturizer for your face, you could use this too. So next at $84 is the lip glow set. This comes of course with the beautiful bag, the lip glow lip balm, and then the lip maximizer, also in the shade pink. Again, retailing for $84. This is also a really nice set. If you don't have either of these products or you're looking for a gift, I really recommend this one. Then for the least expensive of the sets, we're gonna have this one. This retails for $73. It comes with the Lash Extreme mascara and the lash primer. Now this is their newest mascara, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open that so that you can see the wand. That is the shape of the wand for this mascara. It's like an hourglass shape. It's supposed to give you extreme length and volume. I really like this one. I picked this one up earlier. Was it this year? Yeah, it was this year. And then it comes with the lash primer as well. So again, $73 for the two lash products and the gift bag. So then we have the Volume and Glow gift set. Now this is retailing for $117. It's gonna come with the iconic Overcurl mascara in the shade black, the lip oil in the shade pink, and then the Dior Backstage blush in the shade pink. This is the old formulation of it. They recently changed the formula of this year. Next at $199 is the Miss Dior Beauty Ritual Holiday Gift Set. This is going to come with, of course, the bag the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet fragrance in the 1.7 liter size. So this is the 3.4. So it's about going to be about half the size that you see here. It also comes with the lip glow in the shade pink, and then the Backstage blush in the shade pink as well. And finally, for the beauty sets, we have the Couture Lip Essentials. This is retailing for $127. You're going to get a lip maximizer, a lipstick, and a lip liner. So that's it for the makeup and fragrance versions of these gift sets. Next we have 3 skincare sets. So the first one is going to be $176. It's the Dior Capture Skincare Trio, and it's going to come with the serum, the lotion, and the cream. Then we have the High Performance Anti-Aging Correction Ritual. This is $256, and it includes the Dior Capture Skincare Duo, which is the serum and the wrinkle corrector. And then finally, for $237, we have the High Performance Anti-Aging Correction Ritual. This is going to include the Dior Capture Skincare Serum, Lotion, and Cream. Again, that's $237. So those are all of the gift sets that come in this beautiful sparkly gold pouch from Dior this year. So that wraps up the Dior gift sets. Here are the gift bags side by side for Dior and Chanel. What do you guys think? I mean, I really love the pouch from Chanel. It is quite beautiful. I do love the sparkliness to it. I did say last year that I was hoping they'd come out with like maybe a beautiful forest or emeraldy, Christmassy green kind of pouch this year. And they went with blue, which kind of does feel like a repeat from 2 years ago. This pouch, I really think they did a great job. This is the pouch that they did last year, and it was pretty, but this one just feels a lot more substantial. This one feels cheaper. It's like a lot thinner and flimsier. This one has structure to it. It has like the little handle, which I think is so cute. And again, you can, use this very easily as a makeup bag if you're traveling. I like how it opens up top like this, and then you can see all of your products in there. I think that setup is just really the best to see your makeup versus like a pouch where you look inside and it's dark blue and you might not really easily see everything. So here's just another second to admire the beauty of the Dior pouch. As soon as Chanel becomes available, I will post on my community page, so make sure that you are following me. And if you liked this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Special shout out to Amber Ashley for tagging me in her video. Special shout out to Hey It's Jacqueline. I think she was like the first one that had a video with the Chanel gift sets. And I will see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.